Hello Amazed Tech viewers. FeiyuTech have sent us their recently launched Vimble 3 to try out. Globally, FeiyuTech is one of the top 3 gimbal manufacturers. This particular model, Vimble 3, is a 3-axis smartphone gimbal with extendable arm. Let's do the unboxing and try out the Vimble 3. Inside the box, there is a quick start guide. As this gimbal have a lot of physical buttons, we have to read this guide to use the gimbal effectively. This guide has instructions printed in 8 different languages. Let's have a look at the gimbal now. It comes with a 1/4-inch mini tripod. Vimble 3 comes in this single color only. Weight of the gimbal is 387 grams. Maximum payload it supports is 260 grams. This mini tripod is very much useful for shooting, on the table, shots. Vimble 3 comes with a carrying pouch inside the box. It charges through the Type-C port and the charging cable is given inside the box. To use the Vimble 3, just pull the phone holder and neck part upwards. Vimble 3 comes with an extension arm which helps in shooting wide-angle selfie photos and videos. This extension arm can stretch up to 198 mm. You can find some additional instructions pasted over the phone holder and neck parts. Vimble 3 comes with 9 physical buttons, 1 joystick, 1 wheel dial, and 1 up-down button. It also has status indicator and battery level indicator lights. Let's have a look at an animation, which shows the placement of physical buttons of the Vimble 3. At the end of this video, we have given a detailed live demo of Vimble 3 functionalities. Let's attach the tripod with Vimble 3, and attach iPhone 13 with the phone holder. Let's turn on the gimbal and start operating it. Vimble 3's pan controllable range is from -80 degrees to +174 degrees. Vimble 3's tilt controllable range is from -35 degrees to +35 degrees. Vimble 3's roll controllable range is from -50 degrees to +50 degrees. Vimble 3 has 5 video shooting modes. Number 1, pan follow. Number 2, pan tilt follow. Number 3, pan tilt roll normal follow. Number 4, pan tilt roll flash follow. Number 5, lock mode. There are 2 types of indicator lights on Vimble 3. Wider one on the left is status indicator. 3 dots together works as battery indicator. When only one battery indicator is on, it means low battery level. When 2 are on, it means medium battery level. When 3 are on, it means full battery level. When only 1 is blinking, it means battery level is almost 0. There will be a warning tone when the battery level is too low, and then the gimbal will turn off automatically. When the status indicator is blue, it means gimbal is connected to a smartphone over Bluetooth. When it is blue and blinking slowly, it means gimbal is not connected to any smartphone. During unpairing, status indicator will blink fast in blue. If it is green and blinking, it means gimbal is in initializing mode. Double press the power button to put the gimbal in sleep mode. In sleep mode, status indicator will blink slowly in green. When the gimbal is in sleep mode, press power button to wake the gimbal. Status indicator turns continuous red while gimbal is charging. If it is blinking red, it means low battery level and gimbal is about to turn off. When the status indicator is green, it means the gimbal is fully charged. Pull the upper clip to remove the phone from the phone holder. Fold in the neck and the phone holder towards the handle once the shoot is done. Let's do some outdoor shoot with Vimble 3 and iPhone 13. Press the power button, and once the gimbal is in horizontal state, launch Feiyu on-camera app. As we are doing this first time, Gimbal is now doing the pairing and initializing process. Now the gimbal and the iPhone is connected, our setup is ready for shoot. Let's have a look at how Smart Follow functionality of this gimbal works by setting it to follow the movement of this selfie stick object. We can zoom in and zoom out using the zoom button on the left side of Vimble 3. We can also zoom in and zoom out using the dial wheel. Press the Mode button to switch between portrait and landscape shooting modes. Let's have a side-by-side look at the videos shot with Vimble 3, using both iOS camera app and Feiyu on camera app. Let's see a live demo on how to use Vimble 3 functionalities.
Long press power button to turn on the gimbal. When the gimbal is charging, click power button to show the battery level. After connecting with Feiyu on app, single tap the power button when the app is in shooting interface will enter the shortcut menu. Now you can move the joystick to select options. Click the power button to confirm your selection. In common mode, you can move the joystick to control the movement of the tilt and pan axis. Click the album button to enter album. Move the joystick left or right to view your album. Move the joystick up or down to play or pause your videos. When using Feiyu on app, the default function of the dial is zoom control. Click the dial function switching button to switch to focus control. Long press the dial function switching button, switch to pan axis rotation control. Click the mode button to switch the follow modes of the gimbal. Double-click the mode button to switch to portrait mode. When your smartphone is in video mode, click the shutter button to start filming. Click again to pause and your video will be automatically saved. Long press the button to switch between video and photo modes. When your smartphone is in photo mode, click the shutter button to take a photo. When you carry using Feiyu on, lightly click the shutter button to focus. Long press the below trigger button, enter locking mode. Release it to go back to the previous mode. Double-click the lower trigger button to move the gimbal to its default position. Triple-click the lower trigger button to switch between front and rear cameras. Move the axis to starting position you're desired for filming via the joystick or dial. And then long press A. Move the axis to your desired ending position for filming via the joystick or dial. And then long press B. Now, if you click A, the gimbal will go back to A. This function is also applicable for zooming. Rotate the dial to set the starting point for zooming. Long press A, and then set the ending point for zooming. Long press B. Now, if you click A, the focal length goes to the starting point. If you click B, the focal length goes to the ending point. Rotate the dial to set the starting point for follow focus. Long press A. Rotate the dial to set the ending point for follow focus. Long press B. Now, if you click A, the focus goes to the starting point. If you click B, the focus goes to the ending point.